excited because mistakes let me know what I get to learn next so I can keep growing my brain. Yippee! I love learning new things that I don't know yet because that makes my brain smarter.
Hi, I'm Georgia Stewart. I'm a 5-6 primary school teacher. Today's session and the last session we had was extremely engaging, and there were so many things that I was able to take home for me personally. This was an outstanding program where they actually, Tammy and Todd, were able to embed the learning through activities that I can now take into my classroom and do with my students, and that's something I'm really excited about. A variety of energy from both Todd and Tammy, and I guess the main thing was it re-energized my love for teaching and why I became a teacher. I think it should be in the university curriculum. I think they need to understand about how our brain works to then jump into why we teach and how we learn. So thank you.